Hey folks, bidtrice.com, triceauctions.com. We got a 1988 or 1989 Ford F-150 two-wheel drive V8 5.0 fuel injected, power windows. The driver's side power window does not go down. The passenger side works great. Looks like it has dual fuel tanks, automatic transmission. Great little truck for somebody to do a little restore on. Overall, the body looks pretty straight other than being faded. Got some rust down there. Of course, this fender in the hood got a little rust. Open this up so you can see the inside. I did turn the air on. It did not get super cold. It did blow, so it probably just needs to be charged. It's got 109,000 miles on it, or it's either 109,000 or 9,000. I would assume 109,000. Like I said, it's got a V8 5.0 fuel injected. Going back around here, show you that the power window don't work. This one works over there. All good. This one does not. Tire locks work. Don't want to lock myself out. Like I said, it's automatic. 109,000 miles on it. You can see there's a 0 there. There. Or like I said, 9,000 miles. Interior's in pretty good shape. On this little tear here. Headliner's intact. It's going to be sold on our September 5th auction. Here's the VIN plate. It said manufactured 11, so November of 1988. I know manufacturers get a little wonky sometimes. Could be considered an 89. But there you are, folks. Ford F-150 two-wheel drive 5.0 automatic. I'm gonna do a drive around here if I can find my tripod. So we'll give it a try here. Here we go. We're gonna give it the old test drive. There you go, folks. Going to be sold September 5th.